The day we were waiting for has come. My big brother Manu is leaving us for his uni overseas. But before leaving, he asked for his last pasta dish by Mom. And Mom is here to make him remember it for a long time. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! Today my son Manu is leaving. Maybe these are the last time that I prepare something for him. And I want to prepare some very special dish. The dish that I chose for him is very simple. Aglio, olio e peperoncino. But have the special touch with the special mom, that is me. You want to look at what I prepare? Let's start. Step number 1. First of all, we need the chili. This is one not very strong.
We want to make a pasta dough mixed with freshly ground chili pepper. Cut a big chili and blend it. Then add semolina, which will help the grinding process. Whoa! It has such a vibrant color! The spaghettoni won't be just tasty, but also nice looking. Add flour and create a volcano. Now add a spoon of powdered chili for even more intense color. Since this looks like a volcano, it needs lava in it. That's the egg. First, mix the egg white and the yolk, like what Mom is doing. Then mix the flour. Need removing all the biggest lumps. Having trouble to know how the texture should be? It should feel like the lobe of your ears.
The dough is ready. Now to have take rest for 10-15 minutes. You have to cover it. In meanwhile, I show you what I do. I know that you like me and my recipe. Feeling free to subscribe.
Exaggerated once again, Mom. Now we need to cut a piece of dough. But please use a normal knife or else you might scare everyone away. Stretch the dough a bit and cut small stripes. Fill one of those stripes and roll it thin into a spaghetti shape. This will be thicker than the usual spaghetto. That's why we call it spaghettoni. Once you are done, put it in a bowl of semolina, which prevents the spaghettoni from sticking to each other. Don't use flour for the bowl because it will stick onto the pasta and make the water murky. That is why we use semolina.
The spaghettoni is ready. Time to cook it. Step number 2. While the water not boiling, I started to prepare the condiment. To put oil in the pan. On the fire.
Make sure the fire is at a high temperature.
High temperature.
Squish 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the pan.
The smell is so good, but become careful, don't burn the garlic.
Make sure the garlic gets just a little brown.
Then off the fire. Done. Go to cooking pasta. Salt. The water boil. I put spaghettoni. When the spaghettoni float are ready.
The pasta needs to literally fry in the oil.
My son will love my dish.
Add a bit of hot water of the pasta to make the spaghetti creamy. Now that they are done, we will prepare the plate with a bit of cream which has formed.
Step number 3. And now, a touch of my region, Apulia. Anchovies.
These Apulian breadcrumbs are a great addition to the traditional recipe of Aglio Olio. Mom, are the fish still alive?
Bread that I make.
We love the crunchiness they give to any dish. Yay! We are getting closer to Magna Magna time!
My dish is ready. I make it with love and I'm sure that my son like it. And you? What you think? Him like it? Write in comment below. And now my favorite moment, Magna Magna moment. But it's not the my Magna Magna, it's Emanuele Magna Magna. I call him Manu!
Buon appetito!
It's really good. No idea how she gets these ideas.
Questo modo di preparare aglio, olio e peperoncino l'ho inventato per te perché volevo che questo tuo ultimo piatto fosse perfetto.
Grazie, mamma. And for the last time together,
every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
Mom made Manu a traditional simple Apulian dish. And as Mom always says, the simpler the better. If you want to learn more Italian dishes, subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates every Thursday. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home, where every day is a sunny day.